my fellow Forex beginners family. I want to use this medium to thank our teacher, Said Ali, for what he has been doing. He has really done a great job in teaching us on how to trade and how to mark up charts and do chart analysis in general. Last year or 2 years ago, I couldn't trade Forex. I tried trading Forex and I got my account blown. So I was really frustrated because I didn't know how to mark up charts. I didn't know how to do chart analysis. I didn't know anything about market structure. But with the help of Said Ali, I was able to master these skills and put them into trading. I tried. So after trying, I went to Facebook. I was just going through random pages or random groups, joining random groups. So I came across this community and I saw a student's review and I was like, wow, if he said this is true, not one, not two. I saw multiple students review talking about how good he was. So I decided to give it a go. I went for it. I signed up. I started learning. And I saw it wasn't a scam. It was really real. The 33 lessons were there and it was 100% free. So I was really happy because for you to see something for that which you've been looking for years and for free, I was excited. So I took it very serious. I started learning. I learned how to mark up charts, how to identify market structure, how to analyze charts and risk to reward, and so on. So he has really been great to us and to me. And not everybody will do this for free, but he did it for free, 100% free. 30 lessons, not just 30 lessons, plus the bonus videos. So I think it should be up to 35 or so, and he did all this for free. I want to use this medium to say, Said Ali, you are awesome. You are amazing. Keep up the good work, and for us the students will continue to have your back, and whatever you show us, that's what we do. So thank you so much, Mr. Said Ali. Thank you so much. I can't express my feeling right now, but I'm so happy for what I've learned because I can now make profits. Seeing your accounts grow is like when what you learn is not going into waste and you're practicing it and it's coming like what he says, what's happening, and you just see it and you're happy. You're like, well, you make banks, you know. So it's amazing. It's really amazing. Thank you, Mr. Said Ali. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.